Hi, wanna know how to clone apps on your Realme 12x? So, as a first step, let me explain what is cloning app feature. So, some of these social media or messengers application do not support multi-account, which means that in one application you can have only one account and not more. But sometimes people are in need to use more than only one account, for example, one for personal use and second one for business. So, if you would like to clone any app, firstly to do it we would need to open settings on our phone and here scroll down until you'll find this tab which is named apps. Here is it. Click on it and here go to this tab which is named App Cloner. After this, on your screen will appear a huge list with all of your applications which are available to clone. So for example, here in the recommended tab we got Facebook and Instagram. So let's test it on the Instagram. Here, after we have selected the Insta, we would need to here click on the slider to create the app clone. After this, you'll be able to see a little notification which is saying creating the app clone, and now we can see the settings. So here we have option to rename our app clone, and also when using quick functions always ask. So here you can see that we got the name Instagram clone, so you don't mix up the original one and the clone. So let's take a look on it. The clone you'll be able to find in the app drawer. If we will scroll down a little bit, here you can see two Instagrams. This one on the left is the original one and on the right is the copy, because you can see this little copy icon on the app icon which is showing the clone. So basically now we got absolutely two separated Instagram applications which are not connected to each other. And here is it how it works. Now if you would like to disable the app clone, we would need to simply go back to the settings. Here go back to the tab applications, then app cloner. Here we would need to choose our Instagram, which you can see that has status turned on, and here click on this big blue slider to delete the clone of Instagram. Here we click delete. And this is it. The clone has been successfully deleted and now we'll be able to find only one Instagram in our phone. And this is it. I hope this video was helpful for you and thank you for watching.